This guide demonstrates how to work with files within the Blaze View layouts. From the main screen, navigate to the View menu. Within the layout, select the Files tab. This displays all images and videos located in the default folder. To check or change the default export path, go to Settings and select Client Settings. Any media in these locations will appear here for use. Returning to the New Layout tab, images can be displayed and moved within the Blaze interface, similar to other files. For video files, standard playback controls are available. Additional options include verifying a digital signature, showing the file name, and viewing file information. Use the file settings to enable fisheye dewarping for compatible cameras. Right-click a file to open it or to open it in a new tab. Select Show in Folder to open the current file location in Windows Explorer. Files can also be dragged directly from File Explorer into Blaze, which will add them as temporary video files in the interface.